Hello YouTubers, subscribers, and friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm here at Ventana Canyon Trailhead. I'm on a quest to find 3 Crestedsaguaros that are out here. I haven't been out here in probably 3.5 years. And it's rained in the last week, so the water is flowing there. I can hear it. Let's go down and take a look at the first beginning of the trailhead here. The water. This is not even the trailhead. Actually, you got to walk 20 minutes before you get to the beginning of the trailhead. So let's get this started. Actually, coming to the very first creek crossing. These rocks are slippery. Especially when your feet are wet with sand. All right, let's continue. All right, I'm coming up on the second creek crossing. Check out these mountain views. Look at that, looks like a tiki face rock. Right there, right? Big old forehead, nose, mouth. Lots of people here. It looks like a cape up there. Not cape, a cave.
Looks like they're still building it.
Oh, maybe.
So, we should go establish water.
That's way too far for me to go up there and hike. It's awesome. Lots of people on this trail running. This is the 5th creek crossing. Let's go check out these boulders here. It's starting to get warm. Beautiful views. I still got about another hour hike up. I gotta go. Alright, not everybody uses GPS pin locations. So when I go on these hikes, on these trails, I always ask people when they send me a picture, do you have the GPS location? 9 times out of 10, they don't. They just say, we saw it on the trail. Yeah, that could be anywhere. That could be 1 mile, that could be 10 miles. So these hikes take me a lot longer than normal because I'm constantly having to stop and look around. Now, the one thing she did tell me, she told me it's on the 9th creek crossing. Now, I don't know where she started her counting, because there's one that you don't cross, you just walk right by. But that's what makes these hikes fun, is the adventure, trying to get out there and find them. There it says it. Bighorn Sheep Management Area. Maybe I'll see some sheep now. Who knows? All right. I don't have enough fingers and toes to count how many times I've walked down stuff like this and had wildlife run out, right out in front of me. I mean, I walk right up on that. Oh, there's a toe kicker there. And just shoot right out in front of me. Javelina, coyote, bobcats. So, I'm on high alert every time I come through stuff like that. I had rattlesnakes sitting in the bushes right here, and you walk by and they start rattling. Whew. Getting hot. It's supposed to get 66, 67, the highest today, but it feels like about 85 right now. Whew. Alright, well, this is the 9th Creek crossing. It's supposed to be in this area somewhere. I'm not seeing it. I've been looking around here for about 10-15 minutes. There are a ton of people here. I don't know if she meant past the 9th Creek crossing or at the creek crossing, but she did mention this gigantic flat rock here. So, let's keep our eyes open. Over there. But it's not on the 9th, it's on the 10th. And you gotta cross the creek. I'm pretty sure that's it over there. We'll see if I can get closer. I just remember I got my zoom camera. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna keep going up. Maybe on the way down, I'll work my way to see it. This is on Ventana Canyon Trailhead between the 9th Creek crossing and the 10th Creek crossing on your left side going north on the trail. I thought this one had fallen over. Cool. Alright, let's get a 360 view what it looks like around here. Down there's that crested. Look at them cresteds up there, not crested, but the swirls up there on the ledge of that cliff. That looks like a one tough hike to get up to that. Let's get over here and get these mountain views here. Awesome sauce. Alright. Time to go up to the 12th crossing. This is the 10th crossing I'm coming up to right here. Man, it feels cooler down in this area right here. Look at that tree right there. Man, beautiful views. And then I can see that crest right over there. I'm at the 11th Creek crossing. You could go swimming right here. And it's hot enough to get in there and swim too. 2 more creek crossings to go. Alright, well, I have absolutely no cell phone signal out here. Look at that, man. Awesome, man. Gotta find me a nice place to take a break and have some lunch. Looks like I'm at the beach. I've totally lost track how many times I've crossed this creek. Look at this. This is a 5-foot stick. I gotta jump across this. Still haven't found that double crested I'm looking for. No phone signal. All right. Get it. All right, so I didn't find the double crested. It's been 30 minutes since the last time I turned on the camera. Whew. I've been told that the waterfall is still an hour that way. So I'm going to continue to go to the top. Alright, finally made it to the top of peak. I was behind those two young guys over there, but they got here first, rested. As soon as I got up to them, they took off. Man, this is a very shiny, reflective rock. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. It's got a lot of mica in it. Whew. Supposed to be a waterfall up here, some pools. So this is a lot longer than a 2-mile hike and a lot longer than an hour and a half, because I've been out here 2.5 hours now. And I still haven't found that double crested saguaro. It's a small one. I saw something that looked similar to it, but it wasn't crested. It was a double crested, like a Y. That's what it looked like in the picture that this girl sent me. But you can't tell from the picture. That might have been it. I don't know. I won't know till I get over here to the pools. And if it ain't at the pools, then that was the one she sent me, and that wasn't crested. So let's continue on. On the pools finally. There's a lot of people up here. Whoa, gotta be careful, man. You don't want to step in that slippery water. There is no double crested saguaro up here. Matter of fact, the higher you go up, the less saguaros you see. So that Y-shaped saguaro that I saw about an hour ago, I think that's the one she saw. She thought it was crested because it looks just like a Y. But it's not a crested. Let me see if I can go down here without falling. There's all kinds of people sitting up here trying to film around the people. I think it'd been much faster. I just hiked straight up the river. That's what I think. This must look awesome during the monsoon season though. I'm not going to attempt to try to go down there. I'm way too far from anybody coming and rescue me if I was to fall. But beautiful. I think I'll end the video here. If you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Don't cost anything. It's free. There goes a tarantula wasp right there. Remember, the Lord willing, and the creeks don't rise. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. I'm gone. I'm gone.